have some pizza for lunch and maybe get some food at some other places too, and then we're going to check out the Eastern Market. Here we are in front of Topino's. Alright, so we just finished our lunch at Topino's and it was fantastic. They have great pizza. I did a quattro formaggio, which is like a 4-cheese pizza, and that was delicious. Lillian had a pepperoni slice and she loved it, ate all of it, and she's eating all of my crusts right now. So they definitely have very good crusts. Now I think we're headed over to the Coney Island so that Steve and Lillian can have some hot dogs. Well, there's that coney. Steve couldn't wait to eat this one. How is it? Yeah? Good? Alright. And Lillian's got her little piece of hot dog there too. Well, we are going to check out these sheds over here. Another restaurant. It's like a very busy day here at the Eastern Market. Everybody has food and flowers and plants.
We got food all over here too.
Lots of cool stuff to eat. Sorry. This is my kind of sample. Watermelon and pineapple. They have so many samples here. Here we are buying some Pure Harvest pesto, which is amazing. And this is like our 10th sample so far. Lots of plants and flowers for sale. They have an amazing selection of flowers out here with some great prices. Live music. We did it. We are all done shopping. We got lots of veggies and fruits and flowers and had lunch, lots of great samples. There's lots of fantastic music happening around the Eastern Market as well. Maybe we'll come back another time, listen to some of that music, get some more shopping done. And we had a